Hello, all the lovely people. Welcome back to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. So today I have a very interesting recipe for you. It is called as mango murabba or aam ka murabba. It is a Maharashtrian recipe. Traditionally, aam ka murabba is made from sugar. So here I am making it with jaggery. So the ingredients are pretty simple. I have taken 2 raw mangoes and I have grated them using a grater. I have also taken 2 cups of jaggery or good. Let's start with the recipe. Heat a pan, add ghee to it. Then to it add the grated mango. Now add 2 cups of jaggery to it. Mix everything well and allow it to melt. After 10 to 15 minutes, the jaggery has started to melt and it is bubbling now. The grated mangoes are also getting cooked in the syrup. It will take 20 minutes. Now our Gulamba or aam ka murabba is almost ready. I am going to add elaichi powder to it to add a little extra flavor to it and mix it properly. We have to store it in an airtight jar. Jar must be compulsorily sterilized in hot water. Keep it in the fridge. It remains fresh for 6 months or above. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, you can watch my playlist.